Hi, this is Dustin Whiteside back from Campbell River Honda, showcasing to you a 2008 Ford F-250 gas motor, the 5.4 liter. This is the XLT model. That means it's got power window group, a remote entry. It is the four-wheel drive model, as you can see by the 4x4 decal on the back. Had a couple of things added to it. This headache rack back here and a spray-in bed liner. It is set up for towing up to 9,400 pounds for the axle ratio that's on this vehicle. It's just a pure work truck, this guy. Have the code entry on the door, power seats, even got heated seats in this guy, which is a excellent thing when you're working out there. Got, I don't know if you can see that, 140,537 kilometers on this guy. Quite a clean truck, non-smoking. Now, for more information, come see me, Dustin Whiteside, Campbell River Honda. You'll be glad you did.